Hi everyone, welcome to Merriness. I'm Ashma and I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you all two DIYs. I know I haven't done a DIY in a really long time. So today's video is going to be about a hydration serum and a serum to prevent acne. So if you are interested in this, then please keep on watching. If you are new on my channel, then please don't forget to click the red color subscribe button along with the tiny bell icon next to it to receive updates of all my new videos. I'll be really delighted for you to be a part of my small Merriness family. So the first serum which we'll try is for preventing acne and controlling them. So I'm going to take a few green tea leaves, but if you do not have this, then you can go for the tea bag. I'm putting this in a tea diffuser, and after that I'm just going to take a bowl and pour in some hot water, and after that we'll just immerse this tea diffuser into it for about 10 to 15 minutes so that we get this kind of solution. And in that we'll be adding 2 or 3 drops of tea tree oil. You can use any tea tree oil, any brand, and once you add that, I'm going to mix this nicely, and after that I'm going to filter this because there are tea tree leaves which you can see. So I have taken the filtered water now. In that I'm going to add these compressed sheet masks. Now these are easily available online, but if you do not know, I'll tell you where to get them from. After that I'm adding a little bit of aloe vera. Now as the water is warm, this will easily get mixed into the solution, and voila, we have our serum for acne prone skin. And we are just going to open this compressed sheet mask and we are going to let it sit there till the time it completely opens up. So let's see the magic. So once the mask has completely soaked all the solution, just open it up very slowly and carefully, otherwise this mask might tear. So you just have to be a little careful, but it's done. So it's ready to go and you can use it on your face. The next serum which we'll be seeing is for hydration if you have really dry or normal to combination skin type. So first we are going to take aloe vera gel. You can use any company's aloe vera gel. You can even go for the natural aloe vera gel which you have. I'm just going to take about a spoon in this, and I'm going to thoroughly mix this because it's a little difficult to break down aloe vera gel and then mix it with room temperature water. So here we are not using water, we are using rose water. Again, you can use any brand of your choice, and we are going to stir this continuously till the time aloe vera dissolves into this solution. So while mixing this serum, if you feel that the consistency is a bit thick, then you can always add in more rose water. Next I'm going to add rose water essential oil, which is from Elansa. I really like this essential oil for my face. I've already reviewed it, so if you want to know more, you can click on the I button on the top. If you do not have this, you can go for any other brand's rose essential oil. Next I'm adding these sheet mask in the serum. As you can see, compared to the previous serum, this serum is very thick, and you will have to soak in the mask for at least 20 to 25 minutes for it to completely get absorbed. And once it's done, just carefully open it without tearing it, and then you can apply it on your face. I kept the mask for about 10 to 15 minutes, and this mask is from Usupso. So if you haven't seen my Usupso haul, you can click on the I button on the top and you can check that video out. Apart from this, all the products which I have used today, I'll be mentioning them in the description tab along with their purchase link if they are available online. You can check that out as well. Whatever serum which was remaining, I'm just going to apply on my face and let it be there. After that, I'm just going to remove this particular mask, and as you can see, it's so hydrating. You can see the glow on my face and my skin has become so nice. Both of these serums are tried, tested and used by me. I really love how affordable they are and how easy they are to make at home. The only thing here I will suggest is that when you use an essential oil, make sure you do a patch test on your hand first, because these essential oils have a tendency to sting. So you should know how much your skin can tolerate that sting. So that's all for today's video. I really hope you will try these serum out, and if you like this video, don't forget to give a big thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and family. I'll see you all soon with a new video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and thank you for watching Merriness.